Good afternoon, you YouTube's you. There's barely a breath of wind outside, but the field's a bit too muddy and squelchy to go into. You sink up to your ankles. It really is a bit of a quagmire out there, so I'm going to fly something light and delicate whilst there's no wind, something I can fly outside of the barn and outside of the house. Likely candidate is this, the Hobbyzone Champ. I love it. It's makes a nice change to sort of fly something 3-channel and lightweight. Sort of thing we would have all dreamt of as kids back in the 70s, if this was available back then. Anyway, let's chuck this lovely thing in the air. Here we go. Well, there wasn't a breath of wind, but a breath of the stuff has. Hey. Whoops. Oh, right, okay. Have I miscalculated? I may well have done. Let's go fetch the little champy champ. And then hit a tree. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! That really has suffered. That's a shame. That's a real shame. Because that was in perfect condition. Oh dear. Had a real smash in the face. Well, that's just charming, isn't it? Lost its spinner. Lost its good looks. Oh dear. Oh well. We'll try and fly it somewhere else then. Considering it's had his little face smashed in. Might as well risk all. Oh, that wind is picking up something horrible now. Isn't that typical? The last hour it's been still as a mill pond, and then the second I come out it changes. Oh dear, oh dear. Right, well this will probably be equally disappointing as well. Let's see what happens when we try and fly this indoors. Oh dear. Yeah, this isn't working out very well. This isn't working out very well at all. F this for a game of soldiers. Yes. For a game of soldiers. Good afternoon, you YouTube's you. After my ill-fated, ill-advised, wrong decision to try and fly my beautiful little Hobbyzone Champ the other day, and a honking great gust of wind took it, and it wound up smacking into one of the spriggy little trees out in the garden. Typical, isn't it? You know, a 1-inch diameter tree. Oh, cool, Bennett. Something's trying to escape from the hangar. Bit like my cub probably wants to. Cub? Champ, sorry. Anyway, we're going to take the thing apart and repair it because it's all now not a pretty thing anymore. So I've got a new fuselage, but I'll use the top half of that. I've got to separate the wing from the fuse and repair or fit a new prop. Should be all straightforward. Anyway, let's go.